Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Unwrap UVW in 3ds Max. This powerful modifier flattens the surface of your three-dimensional models, preparing them perfectly for detailed texturing. A well-unwrapped model ensures your textures appear crisp and free from distortion, looking great across every angle. Understanding this process is truly fundamental for achieving professional-looking renders and realistic surface details in all your projects. Once your object is selected, apply the Unwrap UVW modifier directly from your modifier list. This action immediately brings up the necessary controls for flattening your model. To begin the actual unwrapping process, simply click the Open UV Editor button within the modifier's parameters. This opens a dedicated window where you will perform all your two-dimensional mapping tasks, giving you full control over the layout. Defining seams is a critical step, acting like cutting lines on a fabric pattern. Carefully select edges and mark them as seams. Next, apply an initial projection, perhaps a planar map for flat surfaces or a cylindrical map for curved objects. With your seams set, use the Peel tool to automatically unfold the mesh into a flat, two-dimensional layout. This process takes complex three-dimensional forms and makes them manageable for texturing. After unwrapping, arrange all your UV islands neatly within the 1x1 unit square, optimizing their placement to maximize texture resolution. Use the Pack Ofs feature for efficient layout and minimize wasted space. Always check for any overlapping elements, as these can cause issues during texturing. Finally, export your completed UV layout as a high-resolution image, like a PNG, which then serves as a precise guide for painting your textures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.